Got a cool boat walkthrough here for you guys. This is a 19-foot TRX Patriot. Customer had some unique requests on this boat that we'll walk you guys through. So boat came in totally stock Triton Patriot package, which essentially had a 9-inch graph flush mounted at the console and the bow. Customer obviously wanted to add some graphs for a little bit bigger visibility, so he went with 2 HDS Pro 12s that we've added to the package. So going to the back of the boat to kind of start things off, first thing the customer put on is we went with some 8-foot blades featuring our Sonar Pros Power Pole Light. Big thing in the back is, like we're doing with most all our graph packages these days, we've got a Powerhouse standalone lithium just for the electronics. So it is tied into our harness with our standalone lithium switch. So just like all our other boats that have the lithium switch, when it's in L mode, the graphs run on lithium. When it's in C mode, the graphs run up on your cranking battery. So that essentially gives you that redundancy if there's a problem to flip it over. So outside of that, this is kind of where things kick into where we try to help tune boats for people as well. So customer noted that this hull does have a listing problem, which for those who don't know, listing essentially means the boat is leaning to one side as it hops on plane. So big thing we did was shifted the battery placement. The Triton, the way they do this boat from the factory is it's got 2 batteries here, 2 batteries there. So that's a lot of lead weight onto this driver's side. We shifted all 3 lead batteries to the passenger side using Powerhouse battery trays, so we get them nice and tight and uniform over there, and it has resolved that listing problem for the customer. So moving forward, we've got the Sonar Pros wiring harness fully through this boat for all 4 graphs. The next thing that was big on this boat is normally we would do just like a Boat Logix dual panel mount here at the console, but this customer is a little bit on the shorter side, so he had a request to keep the 9 flush mounted for visibility. You'll notice he actually removed the windshield so that he can see a little better over the console. The other thing we did that's a little harder to see is we made a seat riser. So specifically, he wanted this seat to come up a couple inches. We used some starboard material and some in-shop engineering, as we'll call it, and made a really nice riser system, and the seat is super strong. You can see I'm rocking the boat. So due to the nature of him wanting to keep that graph low profile here at the console, we got to use one of our favorite mounts, which is the Boat Logix Universal Lockdown Mount. This is your traditional or not non-traditional arm style mount. Fully bolted down, this thing is rock solid. My guys that have ran Ram mounts over the years, this is like the big brother to it. This will not slip, it will not fall. You can take this thing out on Erie and however big water you're willing to go in your bass boat, and I can assure you it's not going to move. So if you guys are needing an arm style mount like this, Boat Logix, way to go. To the front, carrying on with the mount, we've got the Boat Logix dual panel mount. Same thing, this is mounted to the fiberglass, super, super strong. And we've got the HDS Pro 12 with an HDS 9 Pro as well, which was originally flush mounted in the boat. All reinforced gimbals, and then the big thing, we did an active target 2 with our Fish Obsessed mount. Also, we had to service the Ghost troll motor on this thing. Did a head sensor replacement, so if you guys do need Ghost service, we are a service center for them. So really, really, really fun project just because it was a little different with seat risers, having to figure out the mount package for him that worked for the way this guy fishes and drives his boat. But big thing I want to harp on this is, look, if you got unique requirements for it, your boat's not running the way you want, it's leaning to one side, whatever it'll be, we're here to build the boat for your needs and your fishing applications. That's our big thing here, is how can we build a boat that works for you and how you fish. So if you guys have an interest in getting your boat rigged by us, check us out at SonarProsElectronics.com or give us a call. I'd love to talk to you guys, 770-530-4505.